Welcome! In front of me is an Emporia Smart.5 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications, just to swipe down from the top, do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and here you should see a screen recording as one of those toggles. For me it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, press on it. It will bring up this overlay right over here with a couple options. So I'm going to turn off the mic so it doesn't record my voice. We also have the showing of touches on the screen as a semi-transparent gray dot. And then we have close and start recording. So I'm going to press on this. It will now begin recording, which you can see based on this little icon right here. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. And once you're done recording and you want to stop it, you need to interact with this little blue bar right here. So click on it, actually need to click on it, and then select the square right here. This will automatically save our screen recording to our Photos application. Here we can navigate to... I don't want to update. No Google, I'm not going to be updating. So I'm going to show you normally, let's just clarify this. Normally when you have an updated Google Photos application, you can navigate to library and it will appear either in videos, screenshots, or photos. One of those. Obviously it will be visible as your screen should be kind of visible on the screen recording, but because I need to update it, I'm gonna need to go in a different way about it. So I'm gonna navigate to files, if I can find it. There we go, file manager. I'm gonna completely ignore the stupid Google update. So right here you can navigate to videos, and I believe this is the one. Yep, so there we go. I'm just gonna play it. Now this is actually a first time I was recording it. So the one that I recorded on the video right now would be this one. So there we go. Now anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.